Alright, Hosses, listen up. In this video, we gotta learn about the word continue. Now, I actually told you guys that I was gonna teach this in the last video, but then I got rambling on about comments and probably something else stupid. So, we'll go ahead and learn about continue in this tutorial. So, what I want to do is I want to make a list real quick. And I'm gonna name it numbers taken, and of course I always like to pretend like I'm the coach of a hockey team. That's like my little dream in life. I'm the coach of the hockey team, coaching Team USA, and we beat Russia at the I don't know, like 20,000 something Olympics. So anyways, that's my dream. Let's get back to real life tutorials. So all of these numbers resemble people on my team, their jersey number. So of course what I want to do is I want to make a program to loop through, and it pretty much says what jerseys you are allowed to have still. So we'll make like a list from 1 to 50, and we'll include all of the numbers except these ones. Easy enough. So what I can do is let me give you guys just a little print statement. Here are the numbers that are still available. So all the players who haven't picked a jersey yet can see this program and pick a number from this list. So of course the first thing we do is put for n in range, and I'll just put the numbers 1 to 50. Actually, let me change that to 20. It'll be easier to see, and I'll change this to like 13. So of course this is going to loop through the numbers 1 to 19, and I'll just make a simple if statement. So if n in numbers taken, and let me write this entire program and then I'll explain to you guys what it does. Alright, so as you can see, what's going to happen is it's going to loop through the numbers 1 to 20, and it's going to print all of the numbers except for the ones in this list right here. So 1, it's going to check if 2's in there, and if it does, it's going to skip it. So that's how you can kind of think of continue. So unlike break, whenever you have break, it breaks out of the loop completely and stops the entire loop. What continue is going to do is says, okay, whenever you get to this word continue, whatever's after this in the loop, just skip it and go to the next iteration of the loop. So if something was after it, it wouldn't break out of the loop completely and stop the loop. It would keep going. It would just skip what's ever after it. So just kind of explain a couple of these loops. So the first time n equals 1. So it says, is 1 in the numbers taken? Nope. So I'm going to print out 1. Next time n equals 2. Is 2 in the numbers taken? Well, yes it is. So continue. What does that mean? It means anything after this. Say maybe we had a bunch of lines. It said skip all of these, then just go back to the start of the loop where n equals the next number, in this case 3. Oops, deleted the extra line there. So again, real simple, what continue means is keep going with the loop, but skip anything after it, and break means break out of the loop completely, stop it, and continue with the rest of your code. So hopefully you guys understand, and I was actually going to teach you about functions in this tutorial, but I think we're out of time. So, well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later.